we gotta close the door. Probably bad.
Alright, go ahead. Turn around. Drop your phone. Alright, we got one in custody.
Some of them are bashful about the 15-year-old now, so they're like, well, if you're 18 or something like that, we'll go for that. So not all of them, like I was talking to Wyatt, will be a felon. Usually they're felonies right when you get there, but if they're coming to solicit sex for 18-year-olds, we might not be getting felonies at that point. It's going to be a little bit different than we do our prostitution stuff, because usually we're in way control of everything with the prostitution, the room number, the girls coming, the lot guys identify who's dropping them off, but this is a little bit different. Usually they come in pretty good. We've not done it at a hotel before, but sometimes they're real nervous. So this is some of the stuff that they say, you know, they don't care about age. They know that one of them's 15. Right here, he just said, I don't mess with little boys. Or don't mess with little boys, you want a man. They can take care of you. So, I don't know how old he is. I don't know if he said or not. He knows we're both in high school. Wants to me, my friend, and my mother. Asked if my mom was single. Told me he'd be my daddy. I tried to let it get to me, but I'm sure I got kids, you know, so there's a part of it when these people come in, it's hard to keep that, you know, emotion, you know, in check. So that's the only struggle that I've had with it.
Is somebody coming right now?
Getting out of the shower.
Out of the shower where?
I don't know. Here locally somewhere. I think he's in another hotel too. Hey, we're gonna meet him at the elevator on the second floor. Text when he's up here. We got one in custody up here. Can you close that CR and open another one? We'll be opening a few today. All the same people need to be on it, please. He's on the wrong street, that's what he said. We have his live video feed out in the hallway, so for officer safety, we can monitor who's coming to our room since we don't have that ability right now. So our room and the UC room there, and there's the hallway going outside. So we should be able to tell who's coming up to the room and who's walking away from it from out here.
Put your hand.
If you sure hand. I got you.
Hold on, what?
Up there. You got him in custody.
I'm outside, I'll go.
We're ready for you and where he's going to fucking land in range. Keep his gun still had, so looks like tonight's a wrap, so we're calling it.